What's up everyone, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Heaps of cool stuff, especially like this today. Now this is the HG P801. Originally I had like a tip truck bed and that was it. But I like the P802 as well because it had a trailer hitch. Now you can say, well, why have we got this on there and why have we got that? Well, in the previous video I took the original dump bed off and I put this crane on there. It's awesome. It works really well. I'll show you that all later. It's all tied in with the original receiver and all that kind of stuff. It's really cool. But then I got this. This is the trailer. This thing is awesome. It weighs a ton. It's pretty much all metal. I've done a little build series on that as well. I'll leave the links in our little cards for both of these, the crane and the trailer video if you want. And the links to all this will be in the description down below. There is a conversion kit to make it your P801 to the P802 and use this trailer hitch. Now, what you get a fair bit of parts. You get this plastic parts, got like a little ladder at the back here, all that kind of cool stuff. These little, they're like frames that mount at the bottom here. They already got them on this crane attachment and they are metal. These are just plastic because it doesn't really hold any weight. A lot of hardware, and these things here are servo mounts. Now the servo mounts, I was actually got the camera out and it didn't record for some reason, so that's okay, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Now you got two servos under here. You got a shifting servo, which is the one further back. That's for the high and low gear on the transmission, and this guy here, which is the one you also get in the kit along with this the hitch and all that stuff. You get that in the kit as well. Everything you need to get it up and running. So basically the servo here operates the lock, just there, and that's all it is. So it goes on and off. So I'll just turn on the controller. Let me get this all plugged up. Now there's a spare channel in the receiver. When you hook it up, that's what that does. So once the trailer's reversed on, pins in there, you lock it down and it won't move. You want to disconnect the trailer, that's it. It's a three-way switch. If you go all the way up, it just locks it all the way down, but you only need to do these two here. Open and they're locked. Now when you hook up the crane, all the controls for the truck is on the left stick, you know, forward, backwards, left and right. All this side is for the crane. Pretty cool, and up here as well. That one's moving the boom in really slowly, and this one just here is releasing the actual hook down. Pretty cool, but that's nice. So it's all on that side. Pretty damn cool. But that's pretty much a full optioned HG now. It's got the crane conversion kit and it's also got the tow bar, and I've also got the trailer, so it's pretty much a whole deal. Plus I've got the Hummer and the 6-wheeler. Now they are the same scale, 1 to 12, so they fit perfectly on the back of this trailer. But yeah, there was not much to installation for this tow hook. All the holes, the mounting holes are already included, so you can just put this piece straight on top, drill it in there. The only part that I had issues with was with the P802. I believe this brace is already there. Now in saying that, this particular model also does have a brace, but it doesn't have these special ones that has these servo mounts on them. So that's what you attach these to. That was already included in the kit because it already has the shifting servo in there for the transmission, but you need to attach this one. So, but it's already there. On the P802, I believe this is already there with a spare mount. You just got to put the servo in there. But with this one, I had to swap this brace from here, and it was all the way up here before. So moved it to there, and moved the original one from here back to the to where that was originally, and that was all it is. But that's it. Nothing else to it. Plug it all up. Probably the hardest part is getting the spaghetti wiring in here, fitting everything in there, and everything in this side for the receiver, for the crane, and all that kind of stuff. So that's probably the hardest part. But that is about it. Now, what I should do, I'll get the trailer on there, and I'll show you how much this can actually pull. So as you can see, it can pull a lot. Now I'm about 76 kilos or so, and I wouldn't recommend doing it to yours if you want, but it does have a fair bit of weight limit. I'll do another video. I'll get the other cars in the back and do a really cool cinematic look. I get Lucre out with the B-roll, but it performs awesome. Like, look at the articulation on the truck, you know, and even the trailer. Watch the trailer. You know, performs really nice. Looks cool. Now, is it, do you need this? No, no, you really don't. It's a bit overkill, but I think it's damn cool. I just love where the RC hobby is and how far it's come, and especially with this HG stuff. This is pretty decent quality, you know, especially for the price, and it's all metal pretty much, so, you know, you got to think about that as well. Other kits, if they were metal, or that'll be out of this world price range, so I think it's really cool. I love the quality that it has. A 2-speed transmission, you know, all metal construction, pretty damn cool. 8-wheel drive. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I'll do another video, putting all the other cars in the back, showing how the crane works, all that kind of cool stuff. I've done that already with the crane, but sorry it's a bit loud out here, guys. It's a bit of traffic, but, and sorry about my lawn. Jeez, springtime now, it's just burst up. Now this is why I want to lock the diffs as well. I want to lock them so I can go a bit more, you know, crawling with this thing. Especially with that trailer on the back, you know, think about how much that weighs and everything. But, oh man, this thing definitely weighs a bit now. I think the total length is 1.6 meters with everything, with those backed up and everything like that. So that's bloody heavy, and that's long, sorry. But yeah, if you're interested, links are down below. Everything in this video, the trailer, the crane, the conversion kit, the car. I'll put the P801 and 02 as well. But yeah, it's just a beautiful bit of kit. How cool is that? Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll do another one with the cars and trucks and the trailer. I've got to get 2 people out on that one, but just wanted to show you this video. Get it out. If you liked it, give it a good old thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. Links are down below for all this stuff, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.